Hello. We were passing by the center of and there is some noise. Seems like a concert going on. It's like a concert. Oh, there is still the Christmas tree. It's a concert going on. Caparezza, which is a singer. Look, check this guy out. Look at him. He's killing it, guys. Oh yeah. This guy is killing it, guys. He's killing it. Guys, check this tram out. This tram is so cool. Look at that. This is so cool. How cool is that? How cool is that? This is so cool. Everyone is taking pictures with this tram. This tram is so cool, guys. How cool is that? It's entirely decorated with lights. This is so amazing, guys. This tram is the best tram I've ever seen. So cool. My tram is arrived, I gotta go. But this tram is the best. It's the coolest tram I've ever seen. Is that our one? Yeah, let's catch it. So we are in Paolo Sarpi. Siamo in Paolo Sarpi. Basically, it's Chinatown.
Yes.
Basically it's Chinatown because there is only Chinese stores and everything. And we are here to fix his computer. His phone. His iPhone. He broke the screen. So we are trying to fix it.
iPhone.
Check this out.
Hi everyone. I don't know what to say, so I am just going to. We gave the phone in this store,
and we fucked the
and we are now we have 30 minutes to do something, but we don't know what to do, so I don't know.
Check this view out. What is that?
I can.
How that work?
By US.
Uno va di là, tu stai qua e tu gli parli.
Fare quello che non puoi fare.
Guarda sto scemo. Che scemo di guerra. A Natale non puoi, lo sai.
Come non puoi?
No, non puoi.
No! No!
Look at this man, guys. What is that? It's what is that? What is that? We are in Garibaldi. This place is so cool. Look at here. Tower is the tallest
in Milan.
tower in Milan, apparently. How cool is that? Can we walk inside here? Yes, we can. We are walking in the middle of the water. Dude, you're gonna get wet, bro. You're gonna get wet. This is so cool, though. How great is this tree also? Cool. You didn't expect that, dude. This place is cooler than I expected.
Come non potevo?
You are a gymnastics man. So we are right now going back. I don't know where, but
We are wandering in a store here. Ooh, look at that. Sì. Ah, sì, adesso vado fuori. Io non andiamo qua.
Cos'è che di livello? Sì, next stop.
a Crocetta.
Cosa c'è a crocette? Delle crocette?
Ma è aperto, c'è una signora che sta scendendo.
We have to scendere, come si dice?
Get off.
Get out.
It's so amazing! It's so amazing! Wow! What do you mean?
È finito?
No, voglio giocare ancora, ma mi arrivano un po' di scarpe.
Se vuoi rimani qua e torni a casa dopo. We gave the phone in this store,
And we fucked the
and
beaches
we are
on
now
the
we now have to.
What do you mean? Chinatown, when the night had yet, and your body say no. What do you mean? Italian people on the bike, yes. Fucking man with a black jacket. When the night had yet, and your body say no. What do you
Guarda
mean?
quel grattacielo.
This fucking tower. Look at the streets.
Vabbè, non deve essere.
Look, beautiful streets. Beautiful.
Però
Laugh? No, please. An Italian tram is not. A black girl. Pharmacy. It's so beautiful to see this because I don't like the China pussy. It's so.
che cazzo?
Paolo Sardi ci ha scritto.
Paolo che?
Sardi.
Sardi.
Auguri Paolo Sardi. È il compleanno di Paolo.
Che Sardi?